If you feel like no one understands your pain, Jesus does. There are battles people never talk about publicly. Sleepless nights, silent tears, emotional exhaustion, mental struggles, spiritual battles. But Jesus sees every hidden struggle you carry. He understands your pain completely, and He cares deeply about you. The cross was proof that God refused to give up on humanity. Jesus came to save, heal, restore, and bring hope to a broken world. No matter how heavy your burden feels today, you do not have to carry it alone anymore. Jesus is ready to give you peace, strength, and comfort. The world may fail you, but Jesus never will. You can put total confidence in the Lord. You can put total trust in the Lord. He won't let you down. You can talk to Him about anything. You can trust Him with anything. Thank you for listening, and God richly bless you.